Good day, guys. Good day to you. All. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Formula Sports channel. Thanks for being here. This is a quick video, This won't be a long one, but this is a quick video where we have to set a bomb and big up Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock, ladies and gentlemen. We have to big up Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock. You see the banner at the end of your screen? Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock makes SofaScore Premier League Team of the Season. Big deal, ladies and gentlemen. SofaScore is arguably the biggest footballing stats platform in the entire world. Even if it's not the biggest, it is certainly in the conversation, certainly in the argument. A prestigious and highly credible source for statistics, for footballing statistics. And if I'm not mistaken, they do statistics for other sports as well. But, SofaScore is a huge platform. SofaScore is a big platform. So, it's a good look for the Reggae Boy, who continues to impress in the English Premier League. People, Ethan Pinnock is a real blessing to our national program, people. And I hope that scenarios like the Ethan Pinnock scenario can be a massive lesson to the Jamaica Football Federation in terms of the plan going forward. Any little young player on a see, right, push up them head in the lower leagues in England, man. Cap them. Because trust me, if we never cap Ethan Pinnock while he was a championship player, ladies and gentlemen, if we never rope Ethan Pinnock in the national setup while he was a championship player, ladies and gentlemen, it would have been, I don't, if memory serves me right, we never capped him while he was a championship player, but we roped him into the squad. The games that he had played, weren't capable games, but we brought him into the national setup as a championship player, and now it's paying dividends. Look at what he has gone on to do. He's now a top quality centre-back in the English Premier League. We would never have got, I'm not going to say never, but it would have been much more difficult for us to get an Ethan Pinnock into our national setup had we gone for him when he was doing big things for Brentford in the Premier League versus when he was doing big things for Brentford in the Championship. I think it would have been much harder because at that point in time, he would have been on the England radar, and in his head, he would more than likely be saying to himself, given the trends that we have seen with other players with dual nationality, Jamaica and England, he would be saying to himself, boy, say, I'm not too far off the England team. I'm probably good enough to make it right now. A little bit more work, a little bit more consistency, I would get in. So, the Ethan Pinnock scenario has to be a scenario for the JFF to really and truly. That's the way going forward, basically. And I hope the JFF realize that. Me personally, this can be described as SofaScore's opinion. This is basically SofaScore's opinion based on their own statistics. So, like for instance, their match ratings and stuff like that, it's purely based on statistics, right? You see them have the 7.16 score for Ethan Pinnock's season. It is not the eye test. So the Sofas, while I put a lot of stock in their statistics, like how many passes a player makes in a game, how many shots, how many goals, this and that, I put a lot of stock in those stats. However, their match ratings and season ratings, doesn't mean a ton load to me personally, but it is still worth mentioning that a major, credible, respectable footballing platform has listed Ethan Pinnock in their Premier League team of the season. So that is obviously a good look. Even if you disagree, even if you don't agree with this team of the season, even if you don't agree with Ethan Pinnock being in the team of the season. One thing you cannot deny is that Ethan Pinnock had a good season for Brentford. And, you can also say that it is a good look that a Reggae Boy is making the team of the season, the Premier League team of the season, have a credible big footballing platform. And it's even a bigger look or a better look when you look at it from the perspective that the Premier League is the biggest and toughest league in the world. Anybody where put you in a them Premier League team of the season, you have had at the very least a good season, if not an exceptional season. Seeing, knock up the likes button, subscribe and share to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Free and easy ways to support the channel. Take care, stay safe, and until next time. And a big shout out to Reggae Boy Ethan Pinnock for making the English Premier League SofaScore team of the season. Take care, guys.